Hello everyone and welcome to the new episode of the DU series presented by Bharat Gyan Akshar. Let's start today episode with some तड़का of poetry. अब अगर बात करें एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ वुमेन की तब लेडी श्री राम का नाम है आता। आओ बताते हैं तुम्हें इन्हीं के कुछ किस्से जिसमें सुनाएंगे हम हर कहानी सोसाइटी से लेकर फैकल्टी तक की। Lady Shri Ram College for Women, commonly known as LSR, is a prestigious women's college located in New Delhi, India. It was founded in 1956 by the late Sir Shri Ram in memory of his wife Phulan Devi. LSR is affiliated with the University of Delhi and is known for its academic excellence and strong emphasis on empowering women. LSR एक बहुत ही वेल मेंटेन कैंपस है जिसके साथ साथ इसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी काफ़ी मॉडर्न है। द कॉलेज प्रोवाइड स्पेशियस क्लासरूम, फुल्ली इक्विप्ड साइंस एंड कंप्यूटर लैब्स, अ वेल स्टॉक्ड library and sports facility. The campus also includes a canteen and various common area for students to relax and interact. LSR offers undergraduate and postgraduate courses across various disciplines. The college is known for its strong programs in humanities, social science, commerce, and science. Some popular courses offered at LSR includes Bachelor of Arts honors in English, Political Science and Economics, Bachelor of Commerce honors and Bachelor of Science honors in Mathematics, Statistics and Psychology. The faculty at LSR comprises highly qualified and experienced professors who are experts in their respective fields. They are dedicated to providing quality education and nurturing the intellectual growth of the student. The college also invites guest lecturers, industry professionals to enhance the learning experience. LSR follows the fee structure set by University of Delhi for undergraduate and postgraduate courses. The fee may vary depending on the course and category of the student. The college has a dedicated placement cell that assists students in securing internship and job placement, where the average package amounted to an aggregate of INR 11.8 LPA, while the median package stood at INR 9.5 LPA. LSR has a strong reputation for high placement rates, with many renowned companies visiting the campus for recruitment. This college offers a vibrant and diverse range of students, societies, and clubs catering to various interests and talents. These societies covers areas such as culture activities, literature, debate, photography, fine arts, social work, and more. Students have ample opportunity to participate in extracurricular activities and showcase their skills. LSR एक ऐसा कॉलेज है जो एजुकेशन के साथ साथ स्पोर्ट्स खेलने के लिए भी इनकरेज करता है. द कॉलेज हैज़ स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज़ एंड ग्राउंड्स फॉर वेरियस स्पोर्ट्स लाइक basketball, volleyball, badminton, cricket, and athletes. LSR students actively participate in inter-college and university level sports competitions. If you are taking admission to any college of Delhi University, the craze of fest is always a must to see easily. अगर LSR में होकर तरंग के मज़े नहीं उठाए तो क्या ही कॉलेज लाइफ एंजॉय की. The annual culture festival of LSR is called Tarang. It is a highly anticipated event that showcases the talent of students in various culture and artistic domains. Tarang attracts participants and attendees from different colleges and has gained popularity over the year. LSR boasts a strong and accomplished alumni network. Many LSR alumni have made significant contribution to their respective field, including politicals, business, arts, and social work. The college maintains connections with its alumni through events, networking, opportunity, and mentorship program. Notable alumni includes Meenakshi Gopinath, Political Science Honors 1969, Naina Lal Kidwai, Economics Honors 1977, Nidhi Razdan, Journalism Honors 1998, and many more great personalities. While Lady Shri Ram College for Women is renowned for its academic excellence and overall reputation, it is important to note that हर institution के अपने drawbacks होते हैं, in which LSR have some common concern voiced by student in various college may include infrastructure constraint during peak hours, occasional faculty related issue, or the need for additional resources in certain department. It is advisable to explore multiple sources of information such as student testimonial or official college website to gather a comprehensive understanding of the college strength and weakness. आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. आई होप यू गाइज हैव नोटेड ऑल द मेन पॉइंट्स. वी विश यू अ वेरी गुड कॉलेज जर्नी अहेड. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू कमेंट योर फेवरेट पार्ट. और ऐसे ही और जानकारी के लिए सब्सक्राइब टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल. धन्यवाद.